video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced notebook script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just scroll down over here, then click on this get here button. Now you will redirect to the Tibet store. You just scroll down over here and click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. Now we have to run the SQL of the script. For that, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. Now open the server folder. Then server.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code. Now we have to uncomment these line of codes. Just like this. Now press Ctrl save. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in our server now. Now let's open the Notepad. For that we just do type /open Notepad. So this is the Notepad which we have installed. Now we can type anything we want over here. So over here we have 3 different types of fonts, as you can see. You can type anything over here. Now to change the page, we just click over here. You can add more fonts in the script if you like. So to close the Notepad, we just click over here. And you can see the animation of the Notepad. Now if you open your Notepad again, everything which you have written, you can find everything over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.